BLA is not a nationalist movement. It's India's modern proxy of terror. The Balochistan Liberation Army no longer hides behind slogans of nationalism. It has evolved into a foreign-sponsored terror machine, equipped with advanced weapons, trained operatives, and a clear anti-Pakistan agenda, directly backed by India's RAW and Israel's Mossad. From hijacking the Jafar Express on March 11, 2025, killing 64 innocent civilians using sniper rifles and IEDs, to forming tactical alliances with TTP, BLA is proving to be nothing but a pawn in global hybrid war. Captured TTP commander Nasrullah openly admitted RAW's financial and military support in forging the BLA-TTP nexus. These are not coincidences, they are coordinated acts of sabotage, executed from Afghan soil under foreign direction. Recent intelligence reports reveal that RAW has even brought Mossad into the game, planning targeted attacks on CPAC sites in Gwadar, Quetta, and Khuzdar. The most damaging evidence, however, came from Iran. In a joint intelligence operation, over 70 Indian and Baloch spies were arrested, proving the BLA is not fighting for Baloch rights, but for Indian strategic objectives. Satellite phone intercepts link their operation directly to RAW headquarters. Let's be clear, BLA is not a voice for Balochistan. It is a tool of destruction, silencing Baloch progress and targeting our youth, schools and soldiers. Every terror attack they orchestrate sets Balochistan back a decade. We must expose this Indian proxy and remind the world no struggle for rights involves murdering innocents and bombing schools. The Baloch people want peace, education and prosperity, not the bloodshed BLA brings. This is not a resistance, it's a foreign-funded war against Pakistan, and we will resist it, not with hate, but with unity, truth and resolve.